Black Woman. By Sebàs. Your truth has been suppressed but never denied. Fear of you wearing your crown with pride. That says, you and only you are Queen of Earth. Mother for all colors, genders and births. A fact for which you are hated and despised. But no amount of hate can turn your truth into lies. Tortured, beaten, discredited and raped. A resentment for knowing they carry your trait. For you are the blueprint, the mold of their form. Without you, it is true, they'd never be born. A painful truth for you being black as night. The backbone, and creator of their light. Black Woman. Sebàs 2025.